9 people killed in an attack in Ruweng farming areas in South Sudan. Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. According to this report, 9 people have reportedly been killed in an army attack in Ruweng administrative area. The victims were reportedly farmers living in an agriculture area. The attack happened in Dulanga, an agriculture area in Alin County. According to local authorities, the incident happened early Thursday morning. The reported time was around 5 a.m. Local officials said suspected army youths from Ruweng County in Unity State were responsible for the attack. However, these are allegations, and the identities and responsibility of the attackers will need to be confirmed through proper investigation. The reported victims include 5 men, 3 women, and 1 child. 9 lives were lost. This is a serious tragedy for the affected families and community. What happened? According to this report, Thomas Nyokdeng, the Minister of Information in Ruweng administrative area, say the attack happened in the Dulanga farming area. According to the local officials, the attackers entered the agriculture area early in the morning. The farmers were reportedly attacked. After the incident, the suspected attackers left the area. Local authorities reportedly searched for the people believed to have carried out the attack but did not find them. The local government said it was still trying to establish the full fact. That point is important. When violence happens in remote areas, information can sometimes be difficult to verify. Different people may give different account. Authorities therefore need to investigate carefully before making final conclusion. But regardless of who was responsible, the reported deaths are a painful loss for the families involved. The incident also brings attention to the difficult situation faced by many farmers in South Sudan. Many families move away from town during the farming season. They go to agriculture areas because they need food. Some people grow crops for their families, others grow food to sell. For many communities, farming is not simply an economic activity, it is a way of surviving. When farmers are attacked, they may become afraid to return to their farm. That can create another problem. If people cannot safely farm, food production can decrease. When food production decreases, families can become more dependent on market or humanitarian assistance. This is why security in farming areas is very important. When we hear that 9 people were killed, it can sometimes sound like just another number in a news report. But behind every number is a person. There was a mother, there was a father, there was a child. There were brothers and sisters. There were families waiting for their loved one to return. A violent attack can change a family forever. The loss does not end on the day of the attack. Families may continue to suffer for years. Children may lose parents. Parents may lose children. Communities may lose workers and farmers. Fear can also spread to neighboring communities. People may stop traveling. They may stop farming. They may move to safer places. And when people are displaced, they may lose home, livestock, crop, and other property. This is why preventing violence is more important than simply responding after people have been killed. Well, the reported attack raised questions about security in rural areas. How can farmers be protected? How can local authorities respond quickly when an attack happened? How can communities report threat before violence takes place? And how can leaders prevent revenge attack? These are difficult questions, but they must be discussed. When one community is attacked, there is always a danger that people will seek revenge. That can create another cycle of violence. One attack can lead to another, then another. Eventually, ordinary civilians suffer the most. That is why community leaders, local authorities, security institutions, and elders have an important role to play. They need to encourage people to remain calm and avoid revenge. The local government has said it is trying to establish what happened. That investigation is important. People deserve to know the truth. Who carried out the attack? Why were the farmers targeted? Where did the attacker come from? And were there early warning? Could the attack have been prevented, and what measure can be taken to stop similar attack? These questions should be answered through a proper investigation. At the same time, families of the victim need support, they need protection, they need assistance, and they need to know that the death of their loved ones are being taken seriously. Well, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to be channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching. Let me meet you on the next video.